Welcome back everyone, Mariah here, and in today's video, I'm going to be telling you when I think, personally, my opinion, when I think Bitcoin is going to hit $25,000. So it is December 20th, it is 11:48 a.m. here, Pacific Standard Time. I'm going to be checking out the charts. We're going to be talking about some funny things that happened early today when it comes to Bitcoin. And we're also going to be taking a look at Google Trends just to kind of, take a look at the scope of things and compare the last bull cycle to this one in terms of Google Trends. So let's go ahead and start with the fact that Elon Musk basically broke Bitcoin Twitter this morning. He started out by tweeting this picture, me trying to live a normal, productive life. This man who appears to maybe someone who is striving for sainthood and just being very distracted by Bitcoin. Not only did Elon tweet out that, but he changed his bio on Twitter to former CEO of Dogecoin, Dogecoin. Honestly, I'm still very unsure of the proper way to pronounce it, but for those of you that have been around a while, you know what we're talking about. 10 hours ago, he tweeted one word, Doji. Bitcoin is almost as BS. Bitcoin is almost as BS as fiat money. That was an interesting one. And then here too, obviously that image that I talked about earlier. He also kind of broke Twitter when he was having a discussion when it came to converting the Tesla balance sheet over to Bitcoin. He also tweeted, "Bitcoin is my safe word." So we got some pretty awesome responses like this one. "Hey, Elon Musk, if you buy Bitcoin, we will all be able to buy Teslas." And yeah, that is 100% accurate, because I would love actually that Tesla truck, the Cybertruck. Willy woo. This is one of my favorite ones. To the moon and then Mars. So let's go ahead and take a look at the charts now. This is the truth of the matter. I firmly believe that we are going to see along the way during this bull market, we're going to see between 20 and 40% pullbacks. And we haven't really seen one in some time being, as I'm speaking now, Bitcoin is actually really heading towards 24,000 for the second time. And so what I believe is this. What I believe is that when we see any sort of a top, not even a top of this particular bull market, but any short-term top, I think we're going to see a lot of volatility followed by that. The fact that Bitcoin is flirting with 24,000 again makes me believe that by the end of the year, we will indeed see 25,000. I wouldn't even be that surprised if it happened in the next 1 hour to 36 hours, to be honest with you. I wouldn't be surprised in the next day or two if we see Bitcoin at 25,000, and it's absolutely going to happen, in my opinion, by the end of the year. We still have 11 days for that to happen. I think it's going to surpass that. I honestly think we're probably going to see 28,000. So to be honest with you, my best guess, let's go and look at the charts here. Let's look at the 1 hour chart of Bitcoin. So still a few hours of upside. I think we're going to get to the $24,500 range, probably. I would say I wouldn't be surprised if it happened in the next few hours. When it comes to Bitcoin hitting 25,000, let me go ahead and take a look at the 12-hour chart to get a better guess there. Let's see here. So honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if it happened in the next 24 hours. That would not be surprising at all. I think it's either going to happen, it's going to get really close to 25. If it doesn't happen in the next few hours or the next 24 hours, what I think is going to happen is we're going to get a 9 candle here. I think we're going to see about 4 days of pullback here, and then absolutely probably surpassing 25, even going up to 28. This is what's really interesting. For a lot of people believe that they are late when it comes to Bitcoin. So let's take a look. Are you late? Look at this Google trend. It shows the past 5 years. Over here is the peak of when Bitcoin hit $20,000 back in 2017. And we are here. Literally, we are nowhere near when it comes to Bitcoin searches. That makes me believe that we are just getting started in this bull run. So that is absolutely exciting. Let's go ahead and take a look back over at the chart. Let's look at the 30-minute chart here. So yeah, I think that there really is a possibility, and I want to say thanks to Elon Musk and all the attention that he has brought to Bitcoin this morning. I wouldn't be surprised if we get over here in like the 24.4, 24.5 range. I would say in the next 4 hours or so. Let's go and take a look at the 15-minute chart. Still more room for upside there. It's always fun to take a look at the minute chart. So yeah, that's my prediction. We are currently $13 away from hitting the $24,000 mark again. And just for you to recall, when it comes to days, Bitcoin hit 24,000 for the first time yesterday, and it pulled back a little bit. So the high was 24,200. The high of today, 23,990. So we're getting really close to the top. Like I said, I think this is a really important aspect of this. Anytime we see a local top, I am going to expect a very sharp rejection. The fact that we fell back yesterday and are already flirting with $24,000 again has me, I would say 70% sure that we're going to hit 28,000 by the end of the year. And I'm going to say 50% that we're going to hit 25,000 sometime in the next 24 hours. So that's my personal prediction here. Just taking a look at the momentum of Bitcoin and where I see things going between now and the end of the year. Thanks, Elon Musk, again, for all the attention that you brought to Bitcoin this morning. I think it's going to be quite exciting. So that's all I have for you today. As always, go out there and create a portfolio that you love. And if you want to get started buying Bitcoin, I have a link down below. And you can also get 4 free stocks with WeBull and another free stock with Robinhood. So don't pass up these opportunities to get free stocks.